Hey guys, it's Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning a new DIY on how to make your very own inexpensive, reusable, and very pretty cupcake stand. So if that's something that you're interested in and you would like to learn how to make one yourself, stay tuned and continue watching this video. Alright, so first things first, what you will need are your plates, and any plates will do. You will also need some candle holders, any size, any shape of your choice. And a glue gun and some extra glue sticks. Alright guys, so first things first, you're going to start off with one of your 3 plates. If all your plates are the same size, you don't have to worry about which one goes on the bottom or if you want to put them in any special decoration type way. So these are the 3 plates that I'm going to be using. And I bought these plates from Dollar Tree for $1.25. Yeah, for $1.25. So pretty. Alright, so I'm going to be doing it like this. This is how I want my cupcake stand to look. Or like this, depending on which angle I turn it from. So I'm going to be starting with the bottom tier. So you're going to pick the first tea holder that you want. I want mine to be upside down. Fit right there in the circle. Right, so whatever bottom tier you're starting with, you're just gonna take your tea holder, take your glue gun, and glue around the perimeter. And then just place that into the center of your bottom tier. Just like so. And with your second tier, you're gonna do the same thing, but with the bottom of the one that you just previously put down. Then with the last one,
do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eyes. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Oh, what are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do.
and there you have it guys, your very own cupcake stand, cheap, pretty, and reusable. Enjoy!